We have laid a solid foundation in health, and the Prime Minister knows that. We laid, why are we over here? Because you tricked the people. There was a 10-year strategic plan. You tricked the people. About 18,000 April 1. There was a 10-year strategic plan funded by the IDB. I signed the agreement. The plan is there to carry us forward. The Cancer Centers of Excellence, $14 million US. 2 centers of excellence, one down there in Western Jamaica, one in Kingston, to carry cancer treatment down from $2.6 million to $0 for the people of Jamaica. Right? I am looking forward, 90% finished down there already. I'm looking forward to be there for the opening of the cancer treatment center in Western Jamaica for the people of Jamaica. Bustamante Children's Hospital Cardiac Center. Vision, foundation for health. A Bustamante Children's Cardiac Center to do 200 cardiac surgeries for babies because they can't do it. Shaggy Foundation, Digicel, Jamaica government, NHT, all of these people, Chain of Hope International, Rotary International. When I left there, 90% finished. Equipment order should have been open in April, and 1 year and 6 months and we can't get anything yet. Shame. Open the center, man. Open the center. Open the center. Open the center. I want the center to be open.